Hello everyone. Today I'm making a quick video for a customer I promised. I'm sorry it is probably a month late, so I do apologize. I've just been crazy busy. But they asked me about a grinding noise coming from the right hand side of the copy machine. Now they requested the MP161, but this is going to be for all these type style machines, these little small Ricohs, the 161, 171, 201, 301. They all have that pretty much same problem. And when you hear a noise coming from this right hand side, generally what I've found is this gear right here is not meshing up with the drum gear up in here. Okay. And the reason why it's not meshing up is because right here, that little tab breaks off, and this right here, which is what holds the door shut, lifts up that way. Okay. And so when you shut the door, there's a little bit of a play right here, and it's just too far away because this piece right here is broken right there and allows this just to have too much play. Now, the easy quick fix, take a screw and just screw it right there into the side so the door stays shut. Because really the only thing that will fix this really is a whole new door. Now, one of the things that I have done in the past is I've gone down in here and right here and on the other side, I've drilled a hole so that this piece right here, to hold that, what I do is I drill a hole on each side, and then I take a paper clip and I wrap it over and around and through those two holes, and then I come on the outside here and then I just twist them. Okay, and what that's going to do is it's going to hold this piece right here from moving upward. Okay, and that will keep this gear right here meshed up with your drum unit. Okay, and that's generally the cause of the grinding noise coming from one of these old Ricohs. While I'm in here, I'll give you a little bit of a bonus. If you've got one of these machines, and it doesn't matter if it's the 161, they all pretty much are similar on the inside. You will take your drum out, you'll unplug it right here, and then there's a little squeeze thing right here. Squeeze, and you'll pull this drum unit out. Just grab it by the handle there on the top. Be careful not to touch that greenish blue cylinder. That's your drum. And let me get a flashlight here. And up in here, there's these charge elimination lamps that get dirty. And you can see this green strip right here. Let me focus in on that if I can. There we go. It's this green strip, and it's got these little square LEDs on them. Clean that all the way back. Get that nice and clean. And then when you go to make copies, before, what you would get would be a black strip on the back side when you ran just one-sided copies. So when you clean that, that will take care of that problem. All right. And that's all we got for today with this old machine. If you have any more requests, please don't hesitate to shoot me a link. Thanks. Oh, don't forget to like.